This is Wes, still at the hospital. It's 3-ish. Um, the procedure went well. The doctor said when he got in there, it was something that had never seen. Uh, he was able to isolate what was causing the problem, and he is very sure that he corrected the issue. Uh, Basically, supposed to be two hot wires going in, or two sets of signals, and there were four. Two on one side and two on the other side. He was able to turn off the extra two signals. So now her heart is working like a normal heart again. This is something that's been going on for a while. Uh, Thank y'all for your prayers. He was able to fix it without putting the pacemaker in, which is great because we don't like pacemakers. So um, he honestly believes that just so a little tender loving care, get her medications leveled out, get a little exercise. Then she's gonna need some knee surgery. So, but now they should be able to get her lungs and her heart in shape to where they can go in and do that. So y'all keep adding it in your prayers uh, because we need to fix her leg. She fell down and shattered her knee, so it really got to stop. Thank all y'all for your prayers. God bless y'all. Y'all stay alive and do that.